And I want you. I'm trying to show you the type of things, take you to places you never seen. I'll get the camera, let's make a scene.
Hey dolls, it's Elloimchrissyy and I'm back with another video. Right now I'm just going to go in with my speckle mattifying primer and put that on all of the areas on my skin that gets oily, just to control those oils. And after I get that all rubbed in, I'm going to take my Fawn Concealer and the LA Girl Pro Concealer and put that all over my eyelids just to prime my eyes and get that pigmented color that I want on my eyelid. And now as you can see, I'm just blending the concealer into my eyes. So as you can see, I'm just blending that concealer into my eyelids. And after that, I just take my Saharian 2 by Juvia's Place, taking that color and placing it into my crease, getting it all blended in. And being that this is a fall look, I'm going to use this dark burgundy just to place it all over my eyelids under that first color that I use into my crease. And we're not going to be doing a cut crease, but I will be showing you all how to get that effect of a cut crease in this video. I did want to spice it up a little bit and put this shimmery pigmented eyeshadow right on the eyelids, and this kind of give it a cut crease look. You all will see further on in the video. So I am done with my eyes. I'm just going to go ahead and start highlighting my face. As you can see, I did apply a wing liner, and it also looks like a cut crease, you all. It does give it that effect, as you can see. I did mix those colors, the fawn and the warm honey, to highlight a little bit, because when I do dramatic looks, I kind of want my highlights to be a little bit lighter. So as you can see, I'm taking my beauty blender, my damp beauty blender, and just blending all of that concealer in where I applied it. So after that, I just took my True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance, and I started contouring my face. I got a little impatient, so I just used a little magic, and bam! Face is contoured, and I'm just using my NYX setting spray. I also went in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, which was so bright. Then I used my J. Michelle Collections lashes. And right here, I'm just taking my lip liner and I'm placing that all around my lips. And then I'm going to go in with my NYX lip gloss in nude. It's so pretty. And I can't finish this look without my hair being done, honey. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. Bye.